Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we uncover the truth behind trending online products and websites. Today, we're diving deep into something that's been making waves, literally. It's called water jet shoes, a product claiming to make your walking experience smoother and more comfortable, even underwater. But the big question is, are these shoes actually worth buying? Or is this just another flashy online gimmick? Let's find out. According to their ads, water jet shoes are waterproof, breathable, and designed with aqua grip soles to give strong traction on wet surfaces. Some sites even show videos of people walking through rivers or beaches like it's nothing. Sounds cool, right? They're also promoted as lightweight and quick drying, perfect for beach trips, poolside fun, or even jogging during the rain. But whenever a product sounds too perfect, we always dig a little deeper. Scrolling through user reviews, it's a mixed bag. Some buyers say they're decent for light use near water, while others call them a total scam. Common complaints include late delivery, wrong sizes, and no refund response from customer service. If a company doesn't clearly list their support info or has copy-pasted reviews, that's a red flag you shouldn't ignore. So, are water jet shoes really worth it? My verdict, probably not. While the idea sounds interesting, the lack of transparency, fake-looking websites, and poor customer feedback make it too risky. If you really need water shoes, go for trusted brands on Amazon, Decathlon, or official sports stores where you can check verified reviews and refund policies. Always research before you buy. And that's what we're here for at Online Scam Advisor. Thank you.